Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a ton of glitches to talk about as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at our new Dollar General digital coupons. First up, we have a 3-off one for the Colgate and we have a 2-off one for the Old Spice. I'm going to pass on clipping both of these because we do have higher value coupons. We have a 5-off one for the Colgate and a 5-off 2 on the Old Spice. Next up, we have a $2.50 off one for the Head & Shoulders. This coupon is working on the Eucalyptus Head & Shoulders. Those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2, which is a great deal. Next up, we have a Gold Bond 2-off one. We have Secret. I want you guys to be careful on these coupons as well because we do have higher and lower value coupons. Next up, 3-off one for the Head & Shoulders Clinical. These are a little bit more pricey. I think they're $10.50, so after the coupon, you're paying $7.50. We also received a new 2-off one for our Gain products. Those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're paying $5.50. We have a $3.30 off 2 for our Febreze products. These start out at $3.25 each. You can choose from the spray, the small spaces, the wax melts. After the coupon, you're paying $3.20 for 2. Next up, we have a new 1-off 1 digital coupon for our Oral-B toothbrushes. This coupon is glitching. It is working on the Daily Clean toothbrushes priced at $1, or you can pick up the Bright and Clean toothbrushes priced at $1. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Moving on down, we have a new 3-off one for our Tide, 6-off one for the Airwick. We have a $1.50 off one for our Vicks VapoCool products. So this coupon is glitching. It is working only 20 count Vicks cough drops. Those are priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free if you're at a new register. But if you were at an old register store, that's going to make it completely free plus give you 50 cents in overage. There's that 5-off one for our Colgate toothpaste. So these are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're paying $2.25. There's another lower value coupon on our Old Spice. So again, I'm going to pass on that one for now. We have a new 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for our Mr. Clean products. This coupon is also glitching. It's working on the 1-count magic erasers found in the dollar aisle for $1. So after the coupon, that is going to leave you paying just 50 cents. And then right next to it is another great deal. We have a $2.30 off 1 digital coupon for the Febreze Wormers. These are on sale this week for $3.25. After the coupon, you're paying just 95 cents. We have Fix-A-Dent, Old Spice, we have Downy, a 2-off 1 for our Dawn Power Wash. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're paying $3. Here's a couple of Angel Soft coupons. Again, only clip that higher value coupon. We're going to use that one first. So the Angel Soft is priced at $5.95. After the 1-off 1 coupon, you're paying $4.95. We have Doritos, $1.50 off 1 for the Vicks cough drops. So if you want to pick up the 18 count, those are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're paying $1. There's a lower value Colgate coupon, so be aware, don't clip that one. 3-off 1 for our Gain Fireworks or Dryer Sheets. Those are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're paying $6.95. Next up, here's an interesting coupon. We have $2.50 off 1 for the Irish Spring Body Wash. I have not seen a coupon that was this high value for Irish Spring in a long time. Usually it's a 1-off 2 or something along those lines. Now, we also have a separate coupon for the Soft Soap Body Wash, and it is also a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon. So these body washes are priced at $5.35. After the coupon, you're paying $2.85. Next up, 50 cents off 1 for our Bounty paper towels. This coupon is glitching. It is working on the 1-count Bounty Essential paper towels. Those are priced at $1. So after the coupon, you're paying 50 cents. We have a new 1-off 1 digital coupon for our Crest toothpaste. This coupon is glitching and is working on our Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So after the coupon, that is going to make it completely free. 1-off 1 for the Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaners. These start out at $3.50. So after the coupon, you're paying $2.50, and they are on sale. Buy 2, get 1 for free this week. Next up, we have Suavitel. It's a 1-off 1. This coupon is working on the dryer sheets. They're priced at $1.95. So after the coupon, you're paying just 95 cents. There's that soft soap coupon. We already talked about that. We have Poise Herbal Essences, a lower value gold bond coupon, so I'm going to pass on that one. Alright, we're going to skip over a few of these here, but I am clipping them to my account. Alright, next up we have a one-off one for the Maxwell House Coffee. These are on sale this week, so definitely go ahead and clip that coupon. We have a 5 off 3 for the Olay body wash. This coupon is glitching. It is working on the 2-count Olay bar soaps. So those are priced at $4.25 each. Pick up 3 after the coupon. You're paying $7.75 for 3. We have another 3 off one for our Gain laundry products. These are priced at $9.95, so after the coupon you're paying $6.95. We also have a 75-cent off one digital coupon for the Olay products. This coupon is also glitching and working on the Olay travel-sized body wash. These are priced at $1.30, so after the coupon you're paying just 55 cents. We have the one-off one for the Snuggle and Purex products. Some of these are on sale this week for $4, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3. One-off one for the Ivory deodorant. These are actually on sale this week for $4, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3. Not a bad deal on that. A new 3 off one for the Always Discreet. We have the Vicks Dayquil. So 2 off 1. This coupon is glitching and working on the 4-ounce Vicks Dayquil. They're priced at $5.50. After the coupon you're paying $3.50. We have a 2 off 1 for our Vicks NyQuil, and this one is also glitching and working on the 4-ounce bottles. They're priced at $5.50, so after the coupon you're paying $3.50. And then we have a 2 off 1 for our ZzzQuil products. This coupon is also glitching and working on the 4-ounce liquid, or you can pick up the 8-count tablets. Both of those are priced at $4.35, so after the coupon you're paying $2.35. Alright guys, so I am going to skip over quite a few of these coupons right here. As you all can see, I have clipped a bunch of them to my account already. I will have a more in-depth video coming up here shortly for you all, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to keep this Sunday video kind of short, sweet, and simple, point out the main deals that I found this morning, all of the glitches, and let you all know about a few coupons that you may not want to clip to your account. Now, I did post a poll on the community tab asking if you all wanted to see these Sunday videos back, and it looks like a lot of people have been missing these Sunday videos, so I hope that you all enjoy them. I hope that these are helpful for you. If they are, please don't forget to help your girl out. Hit that thumbs up button, watch the video all the way through, and leave me a smiley face down in the comment section below. It'll only take a second. For one last glitch, we have this 1 off 1 digital coupon on the Pepto products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 12-count Pepto. These are priced at $3, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2. And of course, don't forget to clip your DG store coupons because we received one for P&G paper products, and we also received a new Gain DG store coupon. So clip both of those to your accounts, and we're going to be talking about those in an upcoming video. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.